What time is it? 1 o'clock? Just got through a feeder ban from the hurricane. Oh, there's the birds. They're up in a tree. It had sideways rain. It's pretty good wind gusts. And then it just stops, and then there's the birds. Oh, look at all those birds. There's a whole flock of birds out there. Is that cool? Let's see if I can zoom in. That's the cool part about living out here. And they disappear in the clouds. And there's another group. Oh wow! Look at them all. They're everywhere. It's pretty wild. Starting to get some more rain. I don't think the hurricane is due to hit land until 12 hours from now. Ooh, what happened, focus? So we're just doing a little preliminary walk around. This is what it looked like before the storm. Pretty cool looking clouds. Some rain over there. And birds are going crazy. All right. Pretty calm, pretty calm. Let's go take a look out front. Air conditioner is actually working. Believe that? Oh, lordy. That filled up. Yeah, that was empty. That is a lot of standing water right there. And we got all kinds of squishy going on here. This is all underwater. And it hadn't even 12 hours away. And then you got 6 hours of storm on top of the 12 hours away. Got a big old oak tree. Hopefully that breaks some wind for us. I got everything all locked up here, triple locked on all the doors. This piece right here that's missing, this is what Hurricane Ian did. That is the extent of the damage for Hurricane Ian. I'm good with that amount of damage this time around too. Trust me. I got the horse trough out here. So we got how much water in there? There's quite a bit of water in there. It's almost up to the first run. Here she comes. She's picking up again. Oh, yep. Here it comes. Just like that. Back inside. Pool's full. We got the jacuzzi strapped down. Come on, close before you get ripped off your hinges. Got the jacuzzi strapped down. Pool's filling up. Everything's packed away. I did the best I could. These guys are really cool right here. Bought these today. They're charging up right now. So at nighttime, take them in the house and rather than using flashlights, use them solar lights. I put my bird feeder over here away. Got all my shutters up. Yeah, we're ready. It's all you can do, right? Best you can do. All right, storm's starting to come in. This is another feeder band. Come on out around here. Got this side all shuttered up. Shut her up. Oh, the Calusias, they look so beautiful. I hope they stay. I don't know what you are flying around out there. You can stay out there. Oh yeah, pool's overflowing. Yep. And I got shutters all the way down this side of the house. Got most of this area cleaned up. All the Calusias. That's already flooded over there. There's the thunder. Yeah, I got about a 4-minute break? Really cool. You can hear it come. You just watch it come in off the pasture. Sideways rain. That's my favorite. I love sideways rain. You want to talk about getting soaked super fast. Well, I'm sure we're going to have some really amazing video. Unfortunately, the storm's going to come in at midnight. It's going to be a night storm, which sucks because you can't see it, and they're always 4 times scarier. So that's all we got. We're going to hunker down, hopefully stay safe, and ride this puppy out. That's all I can do, right? Yeah. This could also secondary as a insurance video that we did put our shutters up. All right, guys. Stay tuned. Stay safe. It's going to go downhill from here. That's all I can say.